In this video, I'll show you how to buy USDT on OKX using P2P trading in the latest version of the app. First, open the OKX app and log in. Make sure your account is KYC verified because P2P trading won't work on unverified accounts. On the home screen, tap Buy Crypto, then choose P2P Trading. At the top, select Buy, pick USDT as the crypto, choose your fiat currency. And, if you like, use filters to set your preferred payment method such as bank transfer or e-wallet. Browse the list of sellers, check their rate and completion rate, then tap Buy on the offer you like. Enter how much you want to purchase, confirm, and follow the payment instructions. After you've paid, tap Payment Completed/I have paid. And wait for the seller to release the USDT to your OKX account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.